Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Blockfuse. I'm here to share with you my journey into Web3 blockchain technology generally, and today happens to be my week 1 at a 5-month bootcamp at Blockfuse Labs. So on day 1 we are introduced into the general concept of blockchain technology. What is blockchain technology? And I understand that blockchain technology basically is simply defined as a secured, immutable, decentralized list of data. I also understand that it's a database of transactions that is updated and shared across many computers in the network. And these computers are are called the nodes, which are interconnected to each other through a peer-to-peer network. To verify it and broadcast these transactions or data through a protocol called Gossip Protocol. Now, these nodes are also contain two softwares which are called client. They are the consensus client and then the execution client. And these nodes are also further classified into three. And these nodes basically they are the computers that are participating computers or participating nodes in a blockchain. So every blockchain have one or two or multiple of these nodes or computers. So one of the types of node is called archive node. Archive node is the type of node that stores every block in a blockchain from the genesis block to the current block. And then we have the full node. This full node is the one that stores the entire blockchain ledger or the block ledger, which contains all the transactions, and also it demands a lot of memory space, up to like 12 terabytes of space. So also we have the light node. This light node is the one that store basically the block headers in a blockchain. So on day 2 at Blockfuse Lab, we learn about computer architecture and system memory, where we learn the concept of concurrency and parallel programming. I learned that concurrency is the ability of a program to execute multiple tasks simultaneously, but not necessarily at the same time. And also I learned that parallel programming is the ability of a task or a thread or a system to be executed to execute multiple tasks. These tasks are subdivided and executed concurrently. We also learn about heap and stack, which are sections in memory. The memory we are talking about is the RAM, computer RAM. Now, we learned that this heap is a section in memory that stores non-primitive data types, which are also called compound data type. Example of these compound data types are the arrays, strings, structs, and the rest of them. And so we said this compound data types also store a value that is not known at compile runtime. So compound data type stores values that are not known at compile time. We also learn about stack, which is also a section in memory that stores basically primitive data types or scalar data types. This data type stores values that are known at compile time. Examples of primitive data types are or scalar data types are the integers, the boolean, and the rest of them. Now on that same day we were given a task to understand what bitwise operators are, and we learned that we have about 6 bitwise operators, which are the AND operator, the OR operator, the exclusive OR operator, the shift left operator, and shift right operators, and we understand how they works. And then also on the third day we learn about the concept of Ethereum, and we were introduced to Ethereum, and we understand that Ethereum is a world's computer, and we understand the definition of Ethereum according to computer science. We said Ethereum is a deterministic but practically unbounded state machine that consists of globally accessible singleton state and also a virtual machine which apply changes to the state. And then we also look at the other practical understanding or practical aspect of what really this Ethereum is. And we understand that Ethereum is an open source, globally decentralized computing system that executes programs called smart contract, and it uses a blockchain to store and synchronize these state changes, and alongside with a cryptocurrency called Ether. which is used to meter and constrain the resources cost of these smart contracts that are deployed on the blockchain. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Stay tuned for more updates.